The failed to start game error in Minecraft Bedrock Edition usually stems from problems with account synchronization, Xbox Live gaming services, or Microsoft Store licenses. A quick fix is to first sign out and then back into your Xbox Live account directly within the Minecraft Bedrock Edition game. Next, ensure that your Xbox Live gaming services app is up to date. You can typically find this in the Microsoft Store under Downloads and Updates. Also, check the store license by ensuring the Microsoft account you are logged into is the one that purchased the game. Restarting the game after these steps often resolves the issue. Most users get back to gaming quickly by following these steps. If basic fixes don't resolve the issue, use the account repair tool within the Xbox app to reset your account's synchronization. You may need to reinstall Minecraft Bedrock Edition completely. Uninstall it first, then download a fresh copy from the Microsoft Store. Go to Windows Settings, Apps and Features, find Minecraft, and use the Repair or Reset options to fix corrupted files. Make sure Windows is updated to the latest version, as outdated system files can cause compatibility issues. If the error persists, submit a detailed bug report to Mojang. Include your Minecraft version, device type, and any specific error codes encountered. Check community forums like Reddit's r/Minecraft for users experiencing similar problems and potential solutions. By reporting your issues, you contribute to making Minecraft better for all players.